Congratulations on your purchase of Draper FlexShade ZIP exterior shades. In this video, we'll guide you through the precise steps to install a headbox using both ceiling and wall-mounted brackets. Follow these instructions carefully to ensure a secure and professional installation. If you have not yet installed your mounting bracket, click or tap the card in the top right corner of this video to watch instructions for these steps. Please note, when mounting the ZIP XL headbox, Draper recommends having a person at each bracket location to assist in maneuvering and properly seating the headbox. We will begin with the installation of ceiling-mounted headboxes. To jump to installing a wall-mounted headbox, click the timecode in the description. Carefully carry the headbox into the designated opening. Make sure you have a firm grip and enough space to maneuver. Next, position the back edge of the headbox against the vertical face of the ceiling bracket. Slide the box upward until it engages with the top hook of the bracket. Now rotate the headbox downward and away from you, ensuring the bottom edge securely engages with the mounting brackets. In some cases, you might hear a slight click as the bottom lip of the headbox settles into place, indicating it is properly engaged. Once in position, the headbox is fully supported by the brackets. It won't disengage unless lifted slightly, so there's no need to worry about it falling. Gravity will hold it in place. To lock the headbox in place, use a 3mm Allen wrench, preferably a T-handle. Access the set screws by tipping the hem bar forward slightly. Tighten the set screws just until they're finger tight. Remember, these screws aren't fastening the headbox, they're locking it into the brackets. Avoid over-tightening these screws. Please note, ceiling mount brackets typically leave a 5/16 inch tall gap between the underside of the opening and the top of the headbox. To close this gap, we recommend applying 1/2 inch thick foam weather stripping tape to the top of the headbox near the front and back edges before mounting it onto the ceiling brackets. This will ensure a clean, finished look. Now let's move on to the wall mount brackets. The process is similar. Start by bringing the headbox into position, aligning it against the vertical face of the wall mounting brackets. Slide the headbox upward until the top hook of the bracket engages. Then tilt the headbox downward towards you, allowing it to seat securely on the brackets. Adjust the headbox left or right as needed to center it within the opening. Finally, use a 3mm Allen wrench to tighten the set screws. Lean the hem bar forward slightly with your thumb to access the screws. Adjust these screws to be finger tight and avoid over-tightening. You can now proceed to side channel installation. Click the thumbnail to view video instructions for this step. Or if you need additional support, please contact Draper Inc. at 800-238-7999.